Sri Vamshidas Babaji Maharaj. Srila Vamshidas Babaji Maharaj appeared in the village of Majidpur in the Jamalpur district of Bangladesh. His father's name was Sanatan Malo Brahma and he was previously known as Bhairav. Babaji Maharaj came to Navadip from the East Bengal, but later he came to Navadip Dham, accepted the Babaji order and performed his bhajan under a tree. The order of sannyas is given for preaching, but a Babaji will perform bhajan in a holy, secluded place. A Babaji will not go outside for prachar. Many people would come to Babaji Maharaj and offer to build him a cottage, but he chose to remain always beneath a banyan tree. He would not move from there. He was surcharged with Krishna Prem. He was a very tall figure. He never shaved, but remained like a madman. Many people would offer him various things, but he would pay them no attention. Whatever he might receive, he would distribute to others. He was an anchorite. Nobody could understand his behavior. He had only 2 big cloth bags. He had no temple. In one cloth bag was Gauranitai and in the other Radha Krishna. Sometimes he would take the deities out and perform puja. Gaur Nityananda were most satisfied by his service. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur used to bow down to him from a distance. He prohibited his disciples from visiting Babaji Maharaj. His disciples asked, "Shall we not have darshan of the sadhus?" But Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur replied, "You will not be able to understand his behavior and you will commit offenses. He is not within this world, but is moving in the transcendental realm. If I commit an offense, it will be anti-devotional. For this reason, I am bowing down to him from a distance." Only a Shuddha Bhakta can understand his wonderful behavior, so you should not go there. Babaji Maharaj is always surcharged with Krishna Prem. Thank you very much. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.